everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mary. In today's video, we'll be creating a moody mountain scene in Lightroom. And please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. So we have the picture of the mountain that we'll be using here in Lightroom already. What we're going to be doing in this video is first we're going to fix the lighting, apply effects, and then we'll correct the color. That's just the basic things we have to do to create the moody look for this mountain picture. Okay, well, Lightroom helps in interpreting your images in various ways. With Lightroom you can easily create any kind of scene you like, any kind of mood you like. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to the light section here, and then we can adjust the exposure to see what we're going to get. If we take it high, that's too exposed, and if we take it down, that's underexposed. Okay, so we take it back to 0. We just click on it to reset it. Then we can go ahead and adjust the contrast and see what we have. So let's take the contrast up. Let's take the contrast all the way up. I think that looks good. Then we can reduce the exposure a bit to about 1 or 0.9. Let's take about 0.92. That's getting there. Then also we're going to reduce the highlights. Let's reduce the highlights to about -30 or 28 or 29. Okay, let's stay with -29. Then we'll increase the whites. Okay, and this will bring more attention to the edges of the mountain here if we increase the white. So let's go ahead and bump up the white to about 40, 50. That's too much. Let's say about 50. 50 is good. Stay about there. That's good. Then we'll go ahead and increase the blacks a little bit just to put some attention on the darker areas of the mountain. So let's just boost up the black a bit to about 15. 15 is good. Then we'll go to the color panel here and decrease the temperature a bit just to add a little bit blue to make the photo much more cooler. Okay, so we just add just a tiny little bit. Let's say I think -2 is good. Then we're going to add a little bit of green to this photo, okay, to produce a neutral blue color. Okay, so we'll go ahead and add a little green. 14 is not bad. 14 looks good. Okay, so that's it. That is everything we need to do. Just adjust the exposure, the contrast a bit, then adjust the temperature and the tint a little bit just to give it a little bit more mood. Then we can go ahead and check what we have before and what we have after. So this is the original photo, this is the before, and this is what we have now. So we came from a normal midday shot. We've now created a moody moonlight landscape high above the clouds. So with just a little bit of adjustment in Lightroom, you are able to create various moods for your photos. And I hope with this simple trick and tips, you'll be able to create beautiful photos and give it much more mood. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel, and we hope to see you on our next video. Okay, and please don't forget to stay safe. Bye bye, see you next time.